What's up, everybody? It's Tyler Weller here. Welcome to the YouTube series of how to build your Marshmello helmet. I've been asked all over my social medias of how to build a Marshmello helmet, so I just figured why not bring it here to YouTube and break it down in about a 4 or 5 part series for you guys. So let's get right into it. Very first thing that you're going to need is an acrylic cylinder. The acrylic cylinder is the most important part of the build. This is a 12 by 12 cylinder already preformed, ready to go. So the only thing you're going to need to do is cut everything out. As you guys can see, I already have my stencil drawn on. After your cylinder, you're going to go ahead and want to make up a stencil. So here are some stencils that I have. One's already cut out, one's not cut out. You can pretty much do it however you want to. It's all personal preference and what works best for you guys. PETG plastic is basically what's going to be the Marshmello eyes and the mouth. You're going to go ahead and tint this with 5% or 20% tint. All up to you guys, personal preference. 20% can get a little weird because maybe you'll be able to see inside sometimes. 5%, completely dark. You'll never see anything inside. Battery pack. You're going to need batteries to power your LEDs. Batteries that I'm running are 18650 batteries. They're basically the vape batteries. People use them in their mods and stuff like that. LEDs. You got to have your LEDs. I run about 6 to 7 of these LEDs in my helmet. After your LEDs, you're going to need yourself a construction helmet right there, because this is what basically holds your Marshmello helmet in place. You're going to cut this and it's going to form and you're going to put it in the helmet. We'll go over all that in the other videos, but you got to have yourself a construction helmet. Dremel. Got to have a Dremel. This is what you're going to use to cut out the eyes and mouth, and also sand probably most of your helmet. Hot glue gun. It's going to hot glue your eyes and your mouth in. Soldering wand or gun. This is going to be your best friend. You're going to cut LEDs and solder them up. Basically, it gives you that around the eyes and around the mouth look instead of just throwing LEDs over them and bending them and doing whatever. Solder your LEDs. Sanding paper, you're going to need it, so you might as well just pick it up now. You're also going to need spray paint. I don't have that with me because I don't spray paint personally. I take my helmets to a professional auto body shop who paints it for me, because I like to get that 100% professional look in what you're going to need, so you don't blind your LEDs or blur them out or anything along them lines. Of course, you're going to need an LED controller. An LED controller is what's going to power your LEDs themselves. In the next video is where we're going to break down what to do and how to do it. Everything in this video, I'll have links down below in the description for you. I will have multiple links of multiple things because all projects can be different. You can use 30 LEDs per meter, 60 LEDs per meter, 144. It really is all up to the builder and what you want to do and what you're working with. If you want, go ahead and get connected with the community. Follow me at It's Tyler Weller on Twitter and Instagram. If you really want to come hang out, come join us on Twitch. We're always live on Twitch. That's where we're building our helmets. That's where we are answering all questions live, helping out as many people as we possibly can, and a lot of game in there as well. If you want to go ahead and hang out over there, twitch.tv/HighPotency Live. A link will be in the description. And of course, thank you guys so much for watching, and keep it mellow.